This 5-minute solution will show you how to set up privacy settings on TikTok. To customize your TikTok privacy settings, follow these quick steps. Open your TikTok, open your profile, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right, settings and privacy, and to make your TikTok profile private, enable private account. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers will not be affected. And to turn off your activity status, enable activity status. When this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's activity status. And to show your post in the nearby feed, enable post in nearby feed. Tap on suggest your account to others, and from here you can adjust suggested account settings. You can enable contact. You can suggest your TikTok profile to your contacts by enabling contacts option, and to suggest your TikTok account with Facebook friends, enable Facebook friends. Tap on back, tap on sync contacts and Facebook profile, and now to sync your contacts, enable sync contacts. After enabling sync contacts, you will get suggestion peoples from your phone contact. And to sync your Facebook friends, enable sync Facebook friends. Tap on comments, and here you can customize who can comment on your videos and stories. You can select followers, you can select friends, then only your friends will be able to comment on your videos and stories. The same way you can customize all of these settings. Go to mentions and tags, and from here you can select who can tags you, who can mentions you. Tap on messaging, tap on messaging again, and from here you can customize who can message you. So that's how we can set up privacy settings on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.